It's more important than ever to find alternative ways to get around town. Due to my cerebral palsy, I've always found walking difficult. Being able to cycle is really crucial for me. I've tried so many different bikes, but I've settled on this one. It's a Dahon Folding Bike. It has some really great features and it's really neatly designed. Most of all, I just find this little bike great fun to ride. I feel sad because a lot of people don't seem to have the confidence to ride because I get so much pleasure from it. Riding around the city can be such good fun, especially in a place like Edinburgh. You really should try it.